One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Oh, and the most important, 0. It just slipped out of my mind. Hey students, you must be thinking, why am I reciting all these numbers? Right? Well, as we all know, these 10 digits from 0 to 9 are used to write any number. The number can be a 1-digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, and so on up to an infinity-digit number. Well, if I ask you how many members are there in your family, your answer would be a 1-digit number, like 3, 4, or 5. On the other hand, if I ask you the number of students in your class, your answer would be a 2-digit number, like for example 78. Same way, if I ask you about the total number of people in your city, your answer would be a 5, 6 or 7-digit number, right? Now that we know that numbers have multiple digits, we need to represent them and read them in a particular order so that everyone understands and follows the standard practice. So students, today we are going to learn a new topic, that is number work. Before learning how to represent numbers, did you know how people in ancient times wrote numbers? Those people did not have any symbols to write numbers, nor did they have the skill of writing numbers. They used sticks to count. But as time passed, the population increased, so did the numbers. And it became difficult for people to count large numbers with sticks. Many people in various parts of the world started finding solutions to these problems. Like the Egyptians and the Babylonians invented the very first numbers. Similarly, even the Romans started writing Roman numbers. But it was only when the great Indian mathematician Aryabhatta invented the concept of 0, the whole numbers were completed. Now we know that numbers are written with the digits 0 to 9. But different parts of the world follow various different patterns. There are two prominent numeral systems we use to represent numbers. Let us see what are they. The first is the Indian numeral system and second is the international numeral system. We mostly follow the Indian numeral system, so today we will be learning how to write and represent numbers in the Indian numeral system. Do you remember I asked you about the population of your city? Now you must be from different cities. Do you know cities are divided into various tiers according to their population? Yes. The population of the city determines whether it is a Tier 1, Tier 2 or a Tier 3 city. Now, you must be wondering, what does this Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3 mean? Let me simplify it for you. The Tier 1 cities are the cities that have a population of more than 1 lakh people. A Tier 2 city means a city having population between 50,000 to 1 lakh. And Tier 3 city means the city having population between 20,000 to 50,000.
Want to experience a completely new world of learning and have fun with amazing concepts and visualizations? Download the Stulyfe app now and get it all at your fingertips.